Hi, and welcome to the tutorial using Widgeter dashboards. We'll talk about how to use dashboards to organize your control widgets and access them from the Widgeter home screen, and to temporarily share those controls using a link or QR code. For more Widgeter tutorials, subscribe to our channel using the subscribe button below. Dashboards are simply a way of organizing widgets. You can create one by going to the Advanced Features screen, pressing on Dashboards, and pressing the New Dashboard button. Once in the Dashboard Details screen, you can set the name of the dashboard and set which of your widgets are included or excluded. Included widgets will show up in the dashboard area of the home screen when that dashboard is selected. Dashboard sharing can be used to allow temporary control over the widgets in the dashboard. For example, a restaurant might post a QR code at each table to allow the guest at that specific table to temporarily control the lighting above their table. In the dashboard sharing settings, you can adjust various settings, like time limit, which limits the amount of time any specific device can have control of the dashboard, and same user cooldown, which specifies how long after the end of a session a person must wait before they can start a new session of the same dashboard on the same device. The people with whom you share temporary access to a dashboard do not have to have their own Widgeter accounts. When they scan the QR code or open the link, a control interface opens in the browser of their device. To give temporary access to others, you can go to the Share settings and press on View and Download QR Code. This opens the QR code, which you can print or otherwise share with other people, and the Share link, which you can copy and send to others. Dashboards are a great way to keep your widgets organized, and dashboard sharing is a revolutionary new way of allowing friends, customers, and others to interact with your IoT devices. We hope you've enjoyed this video and the Widgeter platform. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video.